Are you ready to get wrenching with Nate's Interactive Auto? Hey guys, as you could see from the very start, I put my spark plug wires in order from largest to smallest. You can also label or number each spark plug wire. Just put a little piece of tape on it and a number. So then take my plug wires off one at a time. Usually if you'll take them off one at a time, you won't have to worry about it numbering them. So this is the largest one. I took it off first. Now we'll find the largest new plug wire. We'll put this plug wire on. Okay. Okay, now I got that one on. Now we're going to go to the next one, second largest. And what you want to do is, this is the boot. You want to grab the boot, which is this part, and twist it. And as you twist it, pull it off. And sometimes that'll make it a little easier. This one was being stubborn. That's actually why I was replacing these. So it's a lot faster just to take these guys off one at a time and replace them if you can. Like I said, if you can't, you can use a piece of tape. And this is dielectric grease. This will make it easier to take them off. Sometimes you get this with the spark plugs wires. If not, you can buy a little can, or you can buy a little dollar pack of it, but this pack came with it. And you want to make it touch the connector. So I reach it down in there, wipe it off on the end of the connector, and that'll make it a lot easier to pull off next time around. So, go around here, put that one on. Make sure you guys, if there's a spacer like there is here, this spacer, you want to put the wires back in the spacer the way they were, if at all possible, because this will allow you to keep them from touching any manifold or anything, or if there's any heat tubing on the wires themselves for protection, you want to leave that heat tubing that surrounds the wire or the boot. That way it's protected. I'll twist this one, and as I twist it, I want to pull it off. Well, that one's being stubborn. So I'm going to go ahead. This is actually why we were replacing these spark plug wires. This is the last one. You'll hear it snap or click as you push it on the distributor cap. Okay. Want to make sure we have them all in this, in the correct spot. Basically, this is just to keep them out of the way and keep them from touching anything hot, so forth. So that's the main purpose of that. Then we'll come over here to our coil wire. Snap that out of the place. Snap that out of the place. Just like to use a little more of this dielectric grease. Just get on the inside. Get on the inside of that. Do it until we hear it snap, or pop, click. get on there pretty good. That way the seal, but always grab the boot. Never grab the wire, never. And thank you guys for watching with Nate's Interactive Auto. And you guys keep on wrenching.